Good morning students. Today will we start exercise 6.4. Exercise 6.4 is remaining question number 4. Okay, the question number 4 is find the least number which in the must be subtract from the each of the following numbers so as a get perfect square. It means that is a given value is not a perfect square. Some number you have a least number will subtract from given number, it's going on perfect square, and also find the square of the perfect square root of the perfect square number. This is the subtract. Okay, so then the first question is given that 402. So solve that the 402 by division method. Find the square root. Must will be first two pair is 2 and 2 to the 4, so cancel is 0 and 2. Okay, that is 2 and 4. Okay, and 4 is a greater than of 2, so this is the finish is 0 times. Okay, so this is the remainder. Okay, remainder. There subtract. It's the important trick in this question. That question is asked the subtract and your remainder is a positive. Okay, and this question will be say ask the least number is add, that remainder is a negative. So this is the remainder is a extra add number will given square number. It's mean the least number is 2. Okay, and means 2 must be subtract from 402. Okay, it's mean that 402 minus 2 is equal to 400. A new number is a 400, and also find the square root of the perfect square. This number find the is this number, the new number, it's the new number is 400, and also find the square root of new number. Again use the division method, and 400 make a pair. Okay, and 2 to the 4, cancel, that is 2 is add at 4 and 00 is only 0. It means the root of 400 is equal to 20. Root of 400 is 20. It means that your answer is smallest least number is 2 and square root 20. So your answer is 2 and 20. Now second question is 1989. The same method, first you find the square root of by division method 1989. Okay, first method is a use the is pair then 19 is 2 to the 4, 3 is a 9, 4 is a 16, and 5 is a 25. So that is first time is a 4. Okay, that is a 4 is a 16, and minus only 3 is 89, and then the 4 is here add is 8 plus. Then you check 80, the number will be right here, and same number will be right the 8. Then the first time you write suppose 81, the 1 was the 81. Suppose you write the 1 here to 1, the 81 is very less than. Okay, second is 80. Suppose you write the 2, then be 4 160. Okay, and once is t is compared to 389 is very short number, less number. Third is a 8, 3 into 3, 3 3 is 9 is 240, and 249 is 380 is a small, because his number is it in this. And fourth is multiply 4, 4 4 is 16, 6 1 4 is 3 33, and next is come to 8 5 is multiply 5, 5 5 is 25 is 2 carry 8 42, and 42 is a greater than 389. So you have typed to the 4 type, and 4 times is 3 6. Okay, 336, and after subtraction is 53. It's mean the smallest least number is 53. Okay, next will be find. It's mean that 53 must will subtracted from a number is given 1989. Okay, so you write the 1989 minus 53. Okay, 53 after subtraction the 53 is 6, and they come 3 and 19. Okay, the new number is 1938, and they ask question also find the square root of the new number. You find the square root of new number is 1936, and first time you 44, and 4 the 16 is 3, and 4 then add. This the 44 is a perfect square of the 19,089, but only 53 number will be greater than. Then it's mean that the 1989 to subtract 59, the given number is a square root of 44 is 36, again to 4 times is 336. Okay, it's mean the answer is the least number is 53. Okay, and square root of is 44. Question number 4 in third number is 3250. In same method is solve. First you find the square root of 3250. Okay, and by division method, in first you make a pair. First pair is a 50 and second pair is a 32, and 32 will be 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 15, 25, and 6 square is 36. 36 is greater than, you have first time you write 5, and 5 5 is 25, and remember is 7. Okay, after subtraction is 7, and you write the 50. Okay, second pair you write, and the 5 and 10 plus. Okay, next number you choose, then 10. Suppose you write 101 into 1 is equal to 101. Okay, second here to write this number is 10. Okay, and same number will be write the 2 place. Suppose you write the 2 and multiply by the 2, 402 is the very less, and next is a 103 into 3 903. Okay, next number we'll choose 104 into 4, 4 4 just 16, and 400 is the difference between big number, that 104 into 5 is 22 and 520. Okay, and next will we choose the number is 4 into 6 is 24, and 624 is 700. The next choice number is 107. The 7 into 7 is 49 and 7. So this is the nearest number of 750. So you have write the 7 times, and 749 is remainder. After subtraction you find 1. That is less number is 1. It's mean then 1 must be subtract from this number 3250. Okay, so then we write 300 250 minus 1 is equal to 300 249. It is the new number. Okay, and a new number also find the square root of the new number. So you have second time you write the division method, and 3249 first will be 7 time, 5 time, because 5 5s are 25. Okay, and remember is that 7, that 5 is add, the number is 10, and that 7 time whereas is 49 and 749. This is remainder is a 0. It's mean your least number is 1, and square root is number is given number and new is 57. Okay, and 2 question you have write the in this question, 2 question, next 2 question 4 and 5 your homework is the next question number 5 is similar to question number 4, but simple difference will be that question number 4 is a subtraction. In this question is add the number, find the least number of the must will be add from the each of the following number. It's mean the given number is not a perfect square, and some less number will be in this number is add, then the number is going on perfect square, and that also find the square root of the perfect square of the obtained number. Okay, so same method, and difference will be asked to different that first you find a perfect find the perfect square root by the division method. Then the first to make a pair is it 5 is a 2 to 1 1 is a 1, 2 2 is a 4, and 3 3 is a 9. So first will be divided by the 2 is 2 2 is a 4 is 1. Okay, and then here is 2 2 2 4, there the plus, and next pair is 125. Okay, and this number in this place and this place is the same number, will be at the 41 into 1 is equal to 41. Okay, second suppose you find the 2 in the 40, 2 into 2 is 2 to 4 to 82. Okay, and you compare the number is 125, and previous question you choose the number is less than of given number, but this number is you find the one greater than, because you are add is a 525 is not a perfect square, in this number will be add. Okay, so then be 43 into 3 3 3 9, the 125 9 is okay. So 120 84 is a less, and next number is a you are suppose will be 3, then 129. So here to 129 you choose the 3, and 3 is 129 and minus 4. Okay, then the number is less number is a minus 4. Okay, but in right the answer is a that least number is only 4. A basic difference between question number 4 and 5. Question number 4 and 5, that question number 4 is your subtract. In this question is subtract, your remainder is a positive. Okay, you write in rough here. Suppose your question is subtract, your remainder will come to positive, and your add, your remainder will come to negative sign. Okay, so this number is 4 and 4 must be add. Okay, added from which number is given to 5525. Okay, so this is equal to 525 plus 4 is equal to 529. Okay, and find the new number. It's called the new number after add the less number, and you find the square root of given number is, and this number is, again division method you have used 529. First you make a pair, first time 2 2 is 4, his remainder is 1. Okay, and 2 will be add is a 4. Okay, and here is a 3 and 29. Okay, and 3 times 129 and cancel. It's mean your answer will come is least number is 4 and square root is 23. So your answer is okay. Next question is, a number is given 1750. That the solution of 1515 is, first you find the square root by the method of divisional method is 10750 and make a pair, first pair and second pair. Okay, now here is 17, 4 4 ja 16, so 4 4 ja 16 is 1, and second pair is a 50, and this 4 is will add this place in 4 4 ja 8. Okay, and you find first place will be 81 into 1 is equal to 81, second is 82, suppose will be 2, you write the 2 is 2 to 164. Okay, then 164 and 150 is the next big number. Okay, so they write the 2 here 2 and 150 164. Okay, and minus 14, it's mean the least number is 14. It means 14 must be added to which number? 1750. Okay, so that write the 1750 plus 14, so they come 1764. It is the new number. Okay, new number is 1764, and again you also find the square root of the given a new number. Yes, by the division method you write 1764 and must be make a pair. Okay, and first will be divided by the 4 4 is 16, after subtract 1 is 4, add is the 8. Okay, and second number will be is same, will be 2 and then 64 and 164 is cancel, it's mean 42. It's mean the answer is a less number less number is 14 and square root is a 42. Your answer is 14 and 42. The solution is the number is 252, and first you find a square root by the division method. You write 252. Okay, and first to make a pair. Okay, and first 2, the one time is after subtraction 1, and add the 1 is a 2, and second pair is 52. Okay, and here write the 21. Okay, first will be multiply 1 is 21, second will be write 2. Suppose the 2 into 22 is 44. Suppose you write the 3 to 23 into 3 is 69. Okay, suppose you write the 4, that 24 into 4 is a 16, 6, and 1 is 96. Okay, suppose you write the 5 is 25 into 5 is 75. Oh sorry, 125. And next will be 26, because you write the 6 time, 6 6 the 36 is 6, 3 6 to the 12 156. So there is 152, and 5 time is a 125, and 6 time is a 165. So you choose the next greater number is 6 time is 156, and subtract and 4, they are minus 4. It means the smallest number is, you like the is least number is 4. Least number 4 means you must 4 must be add to which number 252. The new number is a new number 252 plus 4 is equal to 256. 256 is a new number. 256 is a new number, and also find the square root of given number, a new number, find the new number, and we write again a divisional method is 256. When you pair, first time 1 and 1 to 1 add is 2. Okay, and second pair is a 56, and this which type 16 is 6 is 156. So cancel, it means the least number is 4, and square root is 16. It means the answer is 4 and 16. Okay, in this question is total 5 questions are given in your NCERT book. 3 questions were solved, and 2 questions you are solved in homework. Question number 8. A gardener has 1,000 plants. He want to plant these are such a way that is the number of row and number of columns remain same. It means the total number of plants is 1,000, and they are plant to number of row and number of columns are same. Okay, and find the minimum number of the plants need more than its. The 100 plants will be planting of the square form. Number of row and number of columns are same, and how much minimum number will be required कि they are whole will be in plant in square form. The number of row and number of columns are same. Okay, so that more means add. Okay, it's mean add means your remainder is negative. In the that solve. Okay, then number is plants is 1000. Okay, and find the square root by the divisional method. 1000 will be make a pair. Okay, and 10 will be 2 2's. You write 1 square is 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, and 4 square is equal to 16. So they will 9 is 3 times, and 3 is a 9, and after subtract the value is 1. Next pair is 100, and this 3 will be add, and 3 6. Okay, and you find the next number is, first suppose you find the 1, the 61 into 1 is equal to 61. Suppose you write the 62, then we multiply 2 is 124, and 100 is 61 is less than 100, and 124 is greater than next number. So you have write the 2 times is 2 is 124, and after subtraction is 24, and minus 24 means minimum number of plants will require to need is equal to 24, means 24 plants will be need, and add then be 24. Suppose will be 120 24, then be 1000. Is it rough work is 1000 plus 24 is 1024 is a perfect square of 32. So they will write plant in square form. Now last question number 9. There are 500 children in the school. From the PT drill they are have a manner stand to such manner that a number of row is equal number of column. Equal number of column means they are total 500 student will be stand on in a drill is a square form. It means number of column and number of row are equal. Okay, how many children will be left? Here is a write the left out in the arrangement. In previous question is a more than, is a how many numbers will be more. Here is a left means your answer, your reminder. You find the square root by the division method, and your reminder is negative, means one more than number. So their total children is 500. Okay, and that is the solution, and find the square root 5000. Okay, 2 pair, their first time 2, because 2 2 is a 4 is a very simple, to 4 is 1. After subtraction your next pair is a 100, and that 2 is add, and 2 2 is a 4. Okay, and one more than number in previous class. In this case this number is that is 4 1 into 1 is equal to 41 42. Suppose you 2 in into 2 is equal to 2 2 is a 4, 2 4 is a 8, and 3 is a 43 into 3 is 3 3 is a 9, and 129. 129 is a greater than 100. Okay, here is a question asked how many children will be left. How many question is a left? So you have write the 2 times. Here is the left is a 2 times will 2 and 84. After 2 2 is a 4, 2 4 is a 8, and then the 16 means you have 16 student will be left. You have 16 student will be left. Suppose will be 500 minus 16. 500 minus 16 is the 4, and then 9 is 8, and 484. That 484 is a square root of, suppose 22 into 22, 2 2 is a 4, 2 2 is a 4, and 2 2 is a 4, 2 2 is a 4. 484. 484 is a square root of 22. It's mean the number of children left is 16. Okay, now finish the exercise and revise this chapter. If any problem in exercise, in chapter, in any questions, you ask to me, and I will next video will be solve your each problem. Okay, thank you.